Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to easily hide your friends on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device, and once you're in, go to the menu. Next, tap on Settings. In the settings, you'll find a search bar. Type Friends into the search bar. After a few seconds, it will display results. Click on Who can see your friends list. You'll be taken to a page where you can adjust the privacy settings for your friends list. Currently, it might be set to public. Here, you have different privacy options: public, friends, friends except specific friends, and only me. To hide your friends list effectively, you can choose friends, friends except, or only me. If you select friends, only your friends will be able to see your friends list. If you choose friends except, you can customize it to exclude specific friends from seeing your friends list. If you go for only me, your friends list will be visible only to you, making it completely private. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the privacy settings for your friends on Facebook. From now on, your friends list will be visible based on the privacy level you've chosen. That's how you can easily hide your friends on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.